Join me as I dive into the world of young entrepreneurs and challenge myself to uncover how they're making thousands a month using AI. The idea of young entrepreneurs leveraging AI technology to generate significant income is no longer a novelty. In fact, it's becoming the norm. We're living in an era where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and it's the young minds who are at the forefront of this revolution. Competition is fierce and it's getting harder to stand out in today's business landscape. Funding is scarce and the traditional routes to securing investments are becoming increasingly challenging. Moreover, the need for innovative solutions to real-world problems is becoming more pressing than ever. Young entrepreneurs are facing a multitude of challenges, from navigating complex markets to staying ahead of the curve in terms of technology. It's a daunting task, but those who are willing to take the leap are rewarding themselves. With the rise of AI, many are finding it difficult to adapt and keep up with the pace. It's a whole new ballgame and the rules are constantly changing, but amidst all the chaos, there's a group of young entrepreneurs who are not only keeping up, but thriving. They're finding ways to harness the power of AI to drive their businesses forward, and the results are astounding. In the world of e-commerce, we're seeing young entrepreneurs using AI-powered tools to optimize their supply chains, predict consumer behavior, and create personalized shopping experiences. In the world of healthcare, AI is being used to develop predictive models for disease diagnosis and to create personalized treatment plans. The list goes on and the possibilities are endless. Take, for example, the story of 25-year-old Joy, who founded an AI-powered marketing agency that uses AI to optimize ad campaigns for its clients. Or the story of 28-year-old Ryan, who developed the AI-driven chatbot that helps customers navigate complex customer service queries. These are just a few examples of young entrepreneurs who are using AI to drive innovation and growth in their businesses. Then there's the story of Sophia, a 22-year-old entrepreneur who founded a company that uses AI to help small businesses manage their finances. Sophia's company, which she founded just 3 years ago, has already been valued at over $1 million. Her secret to success? Harnessing the power of AI to automate mundane tasks and free up more time for strategy and growth. Sophia's story is a beacon of hope for many entrepreneurs who are looking to make a mark in the business world. It shows that with the right mindset and the right tools, anything is possible. Sophia's company is testament to the power of AI in driving business growth, and it's a shining example of what can be achieved from innovation and determination. In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, it's the young entrepreneurs who are leading the charge. They're the ones who are daring to dream big, who are taking the leap, who are reaping the rewards. The intersection of youth, entrepreneurship, and AI is a sweet spot that's full of opportunities, and it's an area that's worth exploring. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below about AI and entrepreneurship. If you're interested in learning more about cutting-edge technologies that are changing the business landscape, check out our next video on AI-powered investing, and also check out our website, alpusonlineai.com. That's alpusonlineai.com, and you can see the opportunities that are there for anyone to take, of whatever age, race, creed, color. It doesn't matter. This is AI and the opportunities are there for everybody. So if you want to speak to me about anything you've heard in this video, don't hesitate to contact me. That's Alan at Alpus Group on 07539 141 257. From outside the UK, it's +44 7539 141 257 or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com or /AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com or alan@alpusonlineai.com. Cheers for now.